Have you ever sat in a chair and quietly wondered if getting up will be hard this time? Do you place your hands on the armrests, lean forward, and hope your legs will cooperate? If standing up feels slower, heavier, or more uncomfortable than it used to, I want you to know something right away. You're not alone, and you're not imagining it. Many people over 60 notice this change, especially when getting out of a chair, the couch, or even the car. It can feel frustrating or even a little scary when a simple movement doesn't feel simple anymore. But there is good news. This is not a sign that you've failed or that your body can't improve. Often, it's just your body asking for the right kind of daily care. Let me reassure you before we go any further. What we're talking about today is safe, gentle, and designed for real life. No fast movements, no equipment, no pushing through pain. This is about helping your body feel more prepared to stand, walk, and move with confidence. As we get older, our muscles don't activate as quickly as they once did. Sitting for long periods can make the legs and hips feel stiff and weak, especially the muscles that help you stand up. When those muscles aren't reminded to work gently every day, standing can start to feel like a struggle. The goal is not to exercise harder. The goal is to move smarter and kinder. Let's start with something simple you can do every day, even today, right where you are. First, let's talk about how you sit. Many people sink back into chairs, especially soft couches. When you sit very far back, it becomes harder for your body to stand because your legs can't help as much. When possible, try to sit with your feet flat on the floor and your hips a little closer to the edge of the chair. This small change can already make standing feel easier. Now, while you're sitting, we'll wake up the legs gently. Place both feet flat on the floor. Slowly press your feet down as if you're trying to stand, but don't actually stand yet. Just feel your leg muscles turn on. Hold that gentle pressure for a few seconds, then relax. Do this a few times. This reminds your legs what they're supposed to do. Next, still seated, gently straighten one leg out in front of you. You don't have to lift it high. Just straighten it as much as feels comfortable, then slowly bring it back. Switch to the other leg. Move slowly and breathe normally. These movements help the muscles around the knees and hips feel more ready to support you. Now let's bring the upper body into it. Gently lean forward from your hips, then sit back upright. Keep the movement small and controlled. Do this a few times. This teaches your body the motion it needs for standing without actually standing yet. When you're ready to stand, take a moment to set yourself up. Place your feet slightly back under your knees. Lean your chest forward a little, like you're bringing your nose over your toes. Use your hands on the chair if you need to. There is no shame in using support. Stand up slowly, and once you're up, pause. Let your body settle before taking a step. That pause is important. It helps with balance and gives your body time to adjust. Now let's talk about a gentle daily habit that can make a big difference over time. Try practicing standing up and sitting down slowly a few times a day. Not as exercise, but as practice. Choose a sturdy chair. Sit tall, feet flat, lean forward, and stand slowly. Then sit back down with control. Even 2 or 3 times is enough to help your body remember this movement. If this feels tiring, that's okay. Fatigue is your body saying it's working, not that something is wrong. Rest when you need to. Another helpful habit is gentle walking. Walking, even short distances around your home, helps keep the leg muscles active and supports balance. You don't need to walk far or fast. A few minutes here and there can help your body feel less stiff when it's time to stand again. If you notice stiffness in your hips or lower back, try gentle side-to-side movements while standing. Place your hands on your hips and slowly shift your weight from one foot to the other. Keep it small and relaxed. This can help reduce tightness that makes standing harder. I want to remind you of something important. Needing more time to stand does not mean you're losing independence. Independence is about adapting, not rushing. Taking your time and using safe strategies is a sign of strength, not weakness. Some days will feel better than others. That's normal. Progress doesn't come from doing everything perfectly. It comes from doing small things consistently. Even a little daily movement can help your body feel more confident over time. If you've been avoiding standing up because it feels hard, start gently reintroducing it in a safe way. Use a sturdy chair. Have something nearby to hold on to if needed. Move slowly. Your body learns from what you do regularly. I want you to hear this clearly. Your body is not broken. It responds best to patience, kindness, and repetition. You don't need to push. You don't need to force anything. Gentle effort is enough. Over time, These small daily actions can help standing feel smoother, walking feel steadier, and daily life feel less tiring. Many people notice that when standing becomes easier, confidence improves too. And confidence matters just as much as strength. If today all you do is notice how you sit and stand, that's already a step forward. If tomorrow you practice standing once or twice, that's progress. This is not a race. You deserve to feel safe and capable in your own home. You deserve to move without fear. And you deserve encouragement along the way. If this video was helpful, you're welcome to gently support the channel by liking or subscribing. And if you feel comfortable, you can share in the comments how getting out of a chair feels for you. Sometimes knowing others feel the same way can be very comforting. Thank you for spending this time with me. Take things slowly, be kind to your body, and I'll see you again next time.